Hi everyone, welcome. In this tutorial we will practice how to use these basic blocks in a microbit, and basically we will show some icons and then we will show some scrolling text. After a pause we will show another image and then another scrolling text. So you can present this continuously in a loop. If you put them in the forever, I can show you example to show one icon. Okay, and then we would like to show this for an 100 milliseconds. Okay, and then I'm gonna do this show the text, scrolling text. I will write there smile, because tick means, you know, it's a positive, that's why we're gonna smile. And then if I'm going to repeat the same actions, I can take them one by one from here, or I can click right here and duplicate this, and then it will also give me the same thing. So this time I will just change this by X, and then this time we will cry. And when you pair this with your microbit, you can directly click download and see the result right here. It shows smile and show the X for a while and then continue to say cry. And as you see, it repeats the action over and over. If you want to do this only once, you can drag your blocks from here to the on start, and then we can send this one more time. That's it. As you see, it just did this only once. Now let's go directly to the Python programming. We will also talk how to build this in a programming language of Python. By clicking this Python, we are in the Python page. Now we are writing the codes in Python. So we write the basics, and by the way, these window, that actually hint window that allows you to find the correct code, and it's really helpful when you start writing. It also tells you, did you mean this? All you need to just change the text inside, but we want to show firstly show string. We want to show the icon first, right? We can choose the show icon from here, icon names, and all I need to just change this by yes, and I go next. And as you remember, after we show the yes, we wanted to make some pause, right? I can find a pause here, and it was 100 milliseconds, yes, and I go again, continue showing some text, right? Yes, it's going to be smile. Now I continue writing the rest of the codes. Now it's going to show the icon of no, right? And then we will have some pause. And finally, I'll finish the code by showing the text, right? Show string. That means the scrolling text. I say cry. Again, I'm gonna send the codes. And it also works perfectly. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we see each other in a coming tutorial. All the best for you. See you. Bye-bye.